well, this is the Raw580. Maiden flight. First helicopter I've ever built. I'm extremely nervous. The amount of time I put into just even making sure all the programming is right, because even like this, main rotor gain, main rotor style, tail rotor gain and tail rotor agility. Okay. So we've got the head speed wobble will be this one, and the tail of climbing, I don't know, we'll just play around with it. It's the tiniest bit windy. It's barely windy. This is just nerve-wracking. I can't even begin to explain. Here goes nothing.
Bank 1. Motor on. Load rifle.
Whew, that's wild. Oh my god.
Motor on.
Wow, that's scary. Just hearing that like chopping noise in the air, it makes me think that one of the the blades were spinning the wrong way, or I've installed them the wrong way. Oh my god, that was crazy. Oh no, I've put that one on that way, right way, and this one backwards. I can't believe I took off. Well, there you have it, kids. Well, let's fix that up.